How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, we're going to go over all of our speaker options that we have for our Sirens or any existing vehicle siren you may have. So here we have our classic 100 watt cone speaker, and you'll see you have a polycarbonate housing, and then you have your speaker input cables here. Now these are not polarity specific, so it doesn't matter which output you hook these cables up to. And that's the more classic cone speaker look. Then moving over to our most popular Icon speaker, you'll see the Icon is an all aluminum housing with a more slim, low profile look to the speaker. And we do offer the Icon in black and silver. And then all of these speakers are 100 watt, so if you have a 100 watt Siren, you'll just need one of these speakers. But if you have our 200 watt Boss Siren, you'll need two of these speakers. Now moving over to our Vibe and our Fury speakers here. Now our Vibe is an additive low frequency speaker to add to any siren and speaker system using one of the 100 watt speakers that we just went over before. Now the Vibe will use its own amp here, and you'll basically trigger the Vibe whenever you want to have those low frequency tones, such as you're going through an intersection or anywhere you need the extra advisory. And you can run up to 2 Vibes as well. So make sure to check out the product page for the full product information. But again, the Vibe is an additive to add to your existing siren and speaker system. And then finally moving over to our Fury here. Now our Fury Moto Siren is a siren and speaker in one, designed for motorcycles or any other smaller vehicles where you need to fit a siren and speaker in one unit. And then you'll notice 2 cable harnesses coming out of the back of your Fury. Now, one of the cable harnesses here, the left cable harness, will control all of your siren tones and your air horns, such as your horn A, horn B, wail, mech, sting, yelp, and tool. And then the second one will be your power cables, your speaker cables, your sync cables to hook up to 2 Furies if you would like to, and then your part kill mode and your siren or radio rebroadcast cables as well. So those will be your 2 wiring harnesses coming off of your Fury. And again, that's perfect if you need a low profile siren and speaker system in one. So that covers all of our speaker options. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.